Let me record it. Okay. So can someone help me on how to actually open the project, create a new project? Can someone help me? Hey, hi Susan. Can you help me how to create a new project?
Hi Murli.
Hi.
First you have to go to File,
Super.
New,
New.
Project.
Just give me a minute. Okay, File, New, Project.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Java project.
Java project.
Yeah.
So here I'll give the project name. Simple.
Yeah.
Sample learning. I'll just give.
Yeah.
Then
Java. Yeah, it's Java IC 1.8.
Yes. Click on finish.
Finish.
It'll ask me to change the view from J to WT Java.
Yeah.
Good. So I have created the project. Once we create the project, so we get JRE system library, internal Java library files. Then we will get source and then bin folder.
Yeah.
Okay. Super. Yeah. Hey, good. Thanks, Susan. Hi, Srinivasti. Hi, Srinivasti. You there?
Hi.
Srinivas. Can you help me now? So I have created the project. Now actually I want to create the package and then a class.
Right click on the source.
Yes.
And new.
New.
And there's the package.
Yeah, package. So I'll just give variables. Okay. Yes. Then
right click on the variables.
Package. Yes. Then
class.
Then I'll just give global, local, variable. I'll just give okay. I forgot my main function to write. Can you tell me a shortcut how to write my main function?
After main, control space.
Yes, type main, control space. Then click on enter. We got the main function. Super. Hey, good. Hey, thanks, Srinivas. Next, hey, hi, Srinivas. Hey, hi, Srinivas, you're there? Hello. Hey, Srinivas, I can't hear you. Okay. Hey, hi, Teja. Hey, hi, Teja. Hey, Teja. Can you help me actually now I want to create a local variable. Can you tell me in which line number I want to create a local variable?
We can print under the main function.
Super.
That's in line number 6.
Yes, I want an integer variable. The variable name is I. Value should be 10.
Yeah, int I equal to 10.
Super. Now I want a static variable where the variable name is A, value is 50.
Yeah, it's a we need to give static variable.
Yes. Which line number I need to write?
In the line number 4.
Yes. Always static variables are what type of variables?
Global variables.
Global variables. Super. So all global variables should be written outside my function only.
Yeah. Int A equal to 50.
Yes. Int A is equal to 50.
50.
Is that correct?
Yeah.
So I want a static variable.
Yeah, static.
Yeah,
sorry.
Sure. It should be static. Super. Same thing. Now I want a non-static variable. B value should be 60.
Yeah, int B equal to 60.
Yes, int B is equal to 60. Awesome. Hey, good. So now next I'll ask. Hey, hi, Sagana.
Hi, Murli. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. Sakana, can you help me? I want to print my value, the local variable value. Can you help me how to print it?
CISO control space double quotes I.
Yes, double quotes I. So now let me run it. We'll see whether what is the output I'm getting. It's printing.
Sorry, it's sorry in without quote double quotes. Sorry.
Super. Why actually it's printing me I? Can you
Yeah,
tell
it's
me?
a string. It's a string. Sorry.
Correct. Anything comes with double quotes will be treated as a string only. Yeah. Run as the application. Super. Now the value is 10. Super. Now can you help me? I want to print my static variable. How I can print it?
CISO in the print CISO control space
Yeah.
either A.
Yes. One option, directly give the variable name. Yes.
Yeah.
Another option.
Otherwise, with the name of the class global local var dot A.
Yes. Global local variable dot A. Super. Right click on the application. We'll see. 50-50. Yes. Awesome. Hey, good. Hey, thank you. Now I'll ask. Hey, hi, Sirisha.
Hi.
Can you help me? I want to print the non-static variable. Just give a try. Anyway, I will help you in case if you're not able to do. I want to print the value of B, which is a non-static variable. How I can access the non-static variables?
We have to create one object.
Awesome. Super. So how to create the object?
Class name, object name equals to new class name.
Awesome. obj1 is equal to
New
class name. Awesome. So here, new global local variable will help me to create the object. Name of the object is obj1. Then the reference is actually what? My class name. That means this reference says to this object, load all the global members of global local variable class. That's what it will do. So what are the global members we have here? What are the global members we have? Can you tell me, Srisha?
Yeah, B int B equals to 60.
In B equal to 60?
Int A equals to 50.
Super. Static int A equal to 50. Then?
In B equals to 60.
Okay. These two variables. Apart from that, anything is global here?
No.
So
Maybe
even
public
my
static one.
main function is there, right? That is also a global variable only.
Yeah.
So that also will be loaded. So that is, it loads all the static and non-static members. It can be a variable or it can be a function. Everything will be loaded. Okay. So now tell me how to access my non-static variable.
CISO object 1 dot B.
Okay.
obj1 dot B.
obj1 dot B. See, if I give obj1 dot, see, B variable is coming from global local variable. Apart from that, others are coming from object, which is a supermost class of all the classes in Java. That's why we get, for any object we create, we get the from the object class. Then also we have, see, A variable, which is a static. Okay. Then after that, my main function. So we get these three things. So static members and non-static members will be loaded. Now, can I access the A variable also, which is a static variable?
Yes, obj1 dot A.
Yes. That's it. Super. Run as Java application. Okay, got it. Awesome. Good. Super. So a small question from everyone. I just want everyone to tell me. Everyone is clear about the static and non-static variable and then how to utilize them. Anyone has any questions on this? Is everyone clear on this part? Good. Great. Super. Okay, super. So next, actually, I'll open actually what? One class. So if you execute that, you'll be entirely clear on this global local variable. I'll open my paint. So we'll execute this program. So based on our memory allocation concept over there, that's what we're going to do. So I'll ask someone. Hey, hi Susan.
Hi, Murali.
Yeah, can you tell me when we execute this? So first, what will happen? It creates me one memory location.
Yeah. First, the class.
The name
Inside
of
the class, we'll have the static pool.
The name of the memory location is my class name with some hexadecimal number.
Yeah.
Yes.
And inside that, we'll first have the static pool.
Yes. The first memory which will be created will be my static pool.
Static.
Yes. Awesome. Static pool. Then what numbers will be loaded here?
All the static variables.
So one we have static int k equal to
yeah, the global variables will be loaded there. The static int k is equal to 40.
Yes. Then
int p is equal to 50.
What type of variable is this?
That's a non-static variable.
Yes. So non-static variable will be loaded into the static pool?
No, only the main function will be loaded at sorry.
Correct. The next thing is my main function. Awesome.
Yeah.
Yes, so my main function. Apart from that, we don't have any static members here.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. So then next actually what will happen?
Then the local memory for main will be created.
Yes, super. Local memory for main will be created.
Yeah.
So yes.
Inside we will have int I is equal to 10.
Yes. So now my main function will start to execute right now for me. So here, two variables created. I equal to 10, j equal to 20.
J 20.
Super. Yes. Then next what will happen?
Then we'll have an object.
So any information that comes in double quotes will be treated as a
string.
So it will print local variable. Then after that, what is my I value here? When I refer only by the variable name, where the search will
go? To the main function?
Correct. So here do we have I variable?
10.
Yes, the value is 10. That will be printed.
Yeah.
Then after that, plus a space. So your space will come.
Yeah.
Then J. So what is my J variable value?
20.
Correct. So 20 goes to the main function. My J variable value is 20. Next, global variable, it's going to print.
Yeah.
Then after that,
the value of k.
I'm referring only by the variable name. That means where the search will go?
To the static pool?
No, only by the variable name, the search will goes to?
Yeah, first it will go to the main. If it's not there, then it will look for it in the static pool.
Correct. Here do we have K? No.
Yeah.
Now the search will goes to static pool because the main was created from that place.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Then next system.out.println global local variable docker. That is, I'm referring the class name. Sorry, referring the K variable with reference of a class name. That means where the search will go. Whenever we refer directly by the class name,
yeah.
so search always should go to the static pool.
Yeah.
Okay. Whenever we refer only by the variable name, then only it will go to the local memory. Then comes to the static pool.
Okay.
Got it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So then it means 40 for me. Yeah.
40. Yeah.
Hey, good. Hey, thanks, Susan. Any questions, guys, for anyone on this so far? Good. Hey, hi, Sirsha.
Yeah.
Yeah. So next, can you tell me what we are doing?
Creating an object for the.
Correct. So I'm trying to create an object. So this is my object. So what's my object name?
OBJ.
Yes, it's OBJ. So now the reference of the object is what? Global local variable. That is my same class.
Yes.
Now what will happen?
It will have the members static int k equals to 40.
Correct. So it loads all the static and non-static members. It can be a variable or it can be a function. So one more thing here, what I'm saying, that is static members always will have a single copy alone. Okay, non-static members will have multiple copy. Static members will have a single copy alone. That means always static members, it takes the current value which is there in the static pool alone. So what is the current value here? It is 40. So it takes that value. So 40 here. Then my main function. Then non-static members always it takes from the default value. What is the default value here?
In p equals 50.
50. Okay. Yes. Then
obj.p. So print p 50.
goes to the obj. Do we have p variable here?
Yes.
Yes. The value is 50. Then next obj dot
k. So
goes
k
to
will
obj.
have 40.
K will be 40. Any questions, guys, so far? Cool. So now obj.p equal to 60. Now what I'm trying to do here, can you tell me?
Reassign the value.
Correct. So goes to the obj, find the p variable. Yes. Here change the value from 50 to 60. That is, we are doing reinitialization over here. Okay. So the p variable value will be reinitialized to 60 now. Okay. Then obj.k equal to 90. So now what will happen? Changes.
First k, change the value from 40 to 90.
So I already told you static members will have a single copy only. Okay. That means whenever a change is going to happen, that change will apply everywhere. Okay. Here also the change will apply from to 90. So non-static members, it will be actually what, having multiple copies. Static members will have a single copy. Whenever a change is there, that change will apply everywhere. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Thanks, Isha. So next, hi Srinivasti.
Hi Murli.
Can you tell me next what will happen? Obj dot p, correct. Then goes to obj. Here, what is? Do we have p variable?
Yes, it's 60
so
value.
60. Then next obj dot k. Then yes,
k value 90.
Yes, obj dot k goes to obj. K variable value is 90. Yes, superb. Then Next step.
Global local variable.
Yes, it prints global local variable. Then now I'm referring the k variable with the help of a class name.
Yes.
That means now where the search will go?
In in the class itself only.
No, we are referring with the help of a class name, correct? So when we refer the static variables with the help of a class name, where the search should go?
Search will go in the static pool.
Correct. So directly goes to the static pool. Static pool value here it is what?
K value 90.
90. That is whenever I refer by the variable name, that is the only time it goes to the local memory first. Then after that the search goes to the static pool. When we refer with the help of a class name, the search directly goes to the static pool. Okay. So yeah. Now next what we are doing?
We're creating the object.
Creating another new object here. So what is the object name right now?
Object 1.
Yes.
OBJ1.
Correct. OBJ1. Yes. So then now what will happen? All the global members will be loaded to the object. So what are the global members we have?
In K value as well as P value also. And main.
Okay. Super. So my static members, I already told you, it will be taken from the static pool only because static members will have a single copy only.
Yeah.
So the current value of actually what the static member is, k variable is 90. Then my main function. Then do we have any non-static members? Yes. So that will be taken actually what the default value only always. Got it right? Yes. Then next we created the object. Then next obj1 dot
P.
p. Now what is the p variable value? So obj1 dot p means where the search will go.
In the OBJ1.
Correct. Obj1 object. Do we have p variable?
Yes.
Value is
50.
50. Yes. Then obj1 dot
K.
k. So obj1 dot k. What is the key variable value?
90.
90. Yes. Then global local variable.
Check the static pool.
Yes. Now
Yeah.
directly search goes to static pool. Key variable value is 90. That is whenever we refer with help of a class name, search goes to static pool. Yes. Then next. Now global local variable dot k equal to 20. That means what? I'm referring the k variable with help of my
Class name.
class name. Now what I'm trying to do here it is
Reinitializing the value.
yes. So goes to the static pool. So now it changes the value from 90 to 20. So I already told you. So whenever a change is going to happen for the static members, this change will apply
To R.
everywhere. So here, when we're changing here, it changes the value in the other objects also. $90. Got it? Got it, guys? So anyone has any questions? Why actually what the change applied everywhere? Everyone understood?
Hi,
Can everyone ping me as yes? No, it's like actually what for understanding purpose only we are trying to learn with multiple objects here. It's not necessary we need to create these many objects. I want to show you the difference between static and non-static. That's why we are trying to create multiple objects and then we are saying. Okay, right? Good. Super. So now we have done till here. So global local variable. So 20 we have changed. Then obj1.k equal to 70. Good. Thanks, Srinivas. So, hi Teja.
Hi.
Hey Teja. Can you tell me obj1.k equal to 70? So now what will happen?
Yeah, we need to reinitialize the value.
Yes. So obj1 value, which is 20, that will be replaced to
70.
70 now. Yes. So anything else that will be changing? So k
Yeah,
is what type of variable?
yeah, static variable. So we need to change all the k values to 70.
Correct. So static members will have a single copy. So whenever there is a change, that change will apply everywhere.
All.
Yes. Correct. Yes. Then obj1 dot p equal
P
to,
is equal to 25.
yes.
So
First to
we need to
obj1.
reinitialize the value 50 to 25.
Correct. Will this change will apply anywhere?
No.
Yes, because non-static members will have multiple copies here. Got it?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. Then next, I'll just copy this information and then I'll put here as of now. So the next, I'll just copy paste it here, this information here. Okay. So next, now what will happen?
Yeah. Now we are creating one more object, obj2.
Correct. We're creating another one more object, obj2. So now, what are the members will be loaded?
Yeah, it will get all the static and global variables there.
Yes,
So
all the static and non-static members. So static members, first what will happen, from where it will be taken?
from static pool.
Yes, because static members will have a single copy alone.
Yeah.
Static in k equal to
70.
70. Yes. Then my main function.
Main function.
Yes. Then my non-static number value will be what?
Default value int p is equal to 50.
Super. That's it. Awesome. Yes. Then system.out.println global local variable dot k.
Yeah, it is referring with the class name.
Yes. Where the search will go?
Static pool.
Yes, goes to the static pool. The variable value will
K
be
is equal to 70.
70. Yes. Then
Next, obj2.p. It's a 50.
goes to the obj2. P variable value is 50.
50.
Yes. Then
Obj2, the k value is 70.
correct. It goes to the obj2. Key variable value is
70.
70. Yes. Then
And this is the object obj, and it will go to obj object and print the value of p, that is 60.
yes, correct. 60. Then obj1
Then
dot.
it's obj1, it will go to object obj1 and the value is 25.
Yes, correct. Yes. Then after that, entire program is executed, comes out of the main function. Now the garbage collected deletes the main memory, then comes out of the entire program. Then the entire program memory will be deleted by the garbage collector.
Okay.
Got it? So what is the important thing if you see over here? So static members, it will have always a single copy. See, everywhere it is 70, 70, 70. Non-static members, if you see over there, it will have multiple copies. So every object level, it will take the default member, and then the change will apply only for that object level one. Got it? Any questions for anyone, guys? Okay, good, Teja. Thank you. Anyone has any questions so far on understanding about the global and local variables, about static and non-static? hopefully everyone, this program will help you to clear everyone actually about what is static, non-static, and local variable. Can everyone ping me as yes if you have understood very clear about these concepts? The same information we got here also. So, good guys. Okay, so next we'll have a short break for 5 minutes. Then after that we will see about the string concatenation and then the basic stuff of actually what post increment and then pre increment. Okay, so we'll have a 5 minutes break. Then after that we'll have about the string concatenation and then the post increment, all those things. Okay, so we'll have a break till 8:15. Then we will again connect, guys. Thank you. Hello. Hey guys. So we'll continue the session. So now we have seen actually for how to work on with global variable, local variables. So now we will see for string concatenation, how to work on with string concatenation. So I'll tell you the basics of it. So I have two numbers and integer variables where we can store numbers. Okay. So 100 plus 200, that gives me actually what? 300 for me. Okay. The same thing I have two information which is in string. Okay. So if I'm going to give a plus, so that is anything added with the string that will be treated as a concatenation there. Okay. Concatenation means joining of two words here. Hello plus world, that becomes as hello world here. Okay. It will be joined together. Same thing, hello, which is a string, and then the next one is a number that will be treated as hello 100, will be joined together and then made as a string. 100, which is a string, plus 200. So I already told you anything that has been added with the string that will be concatenated here. So that's what here 100, 200 it will come. It will be joined together. Got it? Next, 200 plus 100. So always execution happens from the left hand side to the right hand side. So 200 plus 100. Now what will happen? 200, 100. It will be joined together. Because one is a string, it will be concatenated. 100 plus 300 plus 500. So 100 plus 300 is actually what? A number. So I already told you execution happens from left hand side to right hand side. So 100 plus 300 will be 400. 400 plus 500, which is a string, that becomes as 400, 500. Same thing, 100 plus 200, left hand side to right hand side. So 100 is a string, 200 is a number. So that will be joined together and then converted as a string. 100, 200. Then 100, 200 is a string, plus 300 will become as 100, 200, 300. Got it? So this is what concatenation is about. Got it? The same thing now we are going to do it with help of the variables here. Got it? So I'll ask each and everyone. So, hey, hi Barka, can you help me? So what will be the value for x plus y?
Hi, Murli.
Hey, hi Barka. Can you tell me
Am I
what?
audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Can you
Yeah,
tell?
it will be hello word.
Correct. So x is what? Hello. Y is what? World. So that will be in hello and then world. Super.
Yeah.
Then a plus b.
So it is not a, I guess, string, and then it will sum up, and then it should be 300.
Super. Because numbers will be added together. That's it. It's super. Hey, good. Thanks, Barka. So next, hey, hi Shivanan. Hello. Hey, hi Shivanan.
Hi, Murli.
Yeah, Shivanan. Can you tell me what will
Yes,
be the
sir.
value for x plus a?
Hello, 100.
Correct. X is hello, which is a string. A is 100. Anything added with a string that will be concatenated. Hello, 100. Super. Then next, x plus y is what? Okay, cool. No worries. So, hey, hi Sirisha.
Yeah, Murali.
Can you tell me x plus y plus a plus b? What will be the output?
Hello world 100, 200.
So x is what? Hello, which is a string. Hello. And then y is what? World, which is a string. World. Then a plus b. So I already told you execution is left hand side to right hand side. So plus a. So hello world plus 100 will become as hello world 100. Then hello world 100 plus b will become as hello world 100 200, which is a string. That's it. Super. Can you tell me next? A plus b plus x plus y?
300.
Correct.
Plus B 300.
Super. A plus b is 300
300.
plus x.
Hello world.
Hello world. Super. So it will be 300 and then hello world. Super, good. Yes. Then next, good. Thanks, Risha.
Thank
Hi, Srinivas. Hi, Srinivas, you're there? Hi, Srinivas T. Hi, Srinivas T. You're there?
Hi, Murli. Yeah.
Yeah. Can you tell me next? X plus A plus Y plus B. What will be the output?
Hello 100, world 200.
Super. X is hello, and then A is what? 100. Then Y is what? World. Then B is what? 200. Then next, X
Hello
plus
100,
super. Hello
100,
100.
200.
Why it has not been added?
From its execution starting from left hand to right hand.
Right. Because so that's the reason hello 100 will be a string. Hello 100 plus 200 will become a hello 100 200. Then bird. Good. Thanks, University. Then hi Susan.
Hi, Murli.
Yeah, can you tell me? So
It's going to be 100 hello,
yes. So a plus x, that will be actually what?
100
Yes. 100.
hello,
Hello.
world 200.
Yes. World 200. Yes. Then next.
100
Yes. 100.
hello, hello,
Yeah. 100. Hello.
200 world.
200. World. Super. Then next.
Hello,
Yes. It's hello.
300
Super. Why it's 300?
because it's inside the parenthesis.
Correct. When it is inside the parenthesis, so first the parenthesis will be executed, then after that only actually what? It comes out and then adds with the next number. So it is so hello 300
World.
world. That's it. Super. Very good. Thanks, Susan. Okay, so everyone is clear about string concatenation, guys. So actually it's so simple, but it is mandatory to know about it because we will be utilizing it. So everyone is clear about this, right? Sure, Srinivas. X plus A plus B plus Y, right? So X is what? For me, it's hello. So I already told you execution is left hand side to right hand side. So hello plus 100 will become as hello 100, which is a string. Then hello 100 plus 200. So a string, anything will be added to a number or a string will be always be concatenated. So that's why hello 100 200, then world. That is hello 100 200 world. Got it? Can everyone ping me as yes if you have understood the string concatenation, guys? Can everyone ping me as yes if you understood this? Super. Great. So next we'll go for post increment and then pre-increment. So today we'll see the basics and then tomorrow we'll see actually what the utilization of it. So there are two types of operators available. One is actually what a binary, another one is a unary. Still now we were using actually what the binary operators. So one is binary, another one is unary. So what is binary means? So a plus b, a minus b, a divided by b, or 10 divided by 12, like those things and all actually what called as a binary types of operator. That is where it will have actually what only one operator and then two operands. A and B are called as operands here, and then anything comes as plus, minus, divided, everything will be called as operands. Got it? So it will be actually what? Two operands and then one operator. Same thing, unary means actually what? One operand and then two operator will be there. That is what machine level will be used. Understood? So binary and then unary is what we are going to see. So how it works? So simple. So if you see here, post, increment, or decrement. This is post or pre, increment or decrement. Okay, so here I plus plus when it comes over there. So what it's going to do means so simple, that is anything is going to increment the I value. So either it can be I plus plus or plus plus I. Okay, anything that is going to increment the I value for sure. But when it is going to actually what the utilization is what we are going to see here. Okay, what time the utilization will happen, that is the reason here. So both the things actually what it's going to increment the I value by plus 1, but how the utilization is going to happen is what we are going to see here. Okay, so I'll take this one simple program here so that it will be easy for you to understand. See here, so here if you see integer I is equal to 0, integer j equal to plus plus I plus 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 I. So that means what will happen right now for me. So this is my I value and this is my j value here. So I value initially is what? 0 here. Then plus plus I. So here if you see, we have two types of information. One is post increment. Another one is pre-increment. So post increment means what? That is I plus plus. Pre-increment means it is plus plus I. Okay. Post increment means I plus plus. Pre-increment means plus plus I. So that means post increment means what it will do means first take the I value, then only increment the I value here. Okay, then only increment the I memory location. Pre-increment means first increment the I memory location, then take the I value here. That's what it's going to do. So now I value is initially 0 plus plus I. Plus plus I means what? It's pre-increment. So first you have to increment the I value by 1 plus 1. Then after that take the I value here. That is 1. Then plus plus I. Now again what will happen? First increment the I value by 1. That is actually what? 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So 0 plus 1 is 1 and then 1 plus 1 is 2. Then take the I value. That is 2 here. Then 1 plus 2 is what? 3. Got it? The same thing in case if we are given like this. Integer I is equal to 0. Integer j is equal to I plus 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 I plus plus. If it is like this, what is my I value? What is my j value here? So initially I value is what? 0. J equal to I plus 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 I plus plus. So that means I comes first. So that means first take the I value here. That is 0. Then after that increment the I value by 1. Okay. Then again I plus plus. That means first actually what? Take me the I value. That is 1. Then after that increment the I value by 1, that is 2. Okay, so 0 plus 1, that will be what? 1 for me here. So that is the j value is what? A value is what? 1 for me here. Just a minute. My J value is 1 and then I value is what? 2 for me here. Before the J value was 3, here the J value was 1. I value remains same, here also is 2, here also is 2. Because I value will be incremented at any point of time. Okay? Only the information is I plus plus or plus plus I, whether it should first take the I value or whether it should increment and then take the value. Okay? So post increment means take the I value first. Take the I value first. Then increment the I memory location. Then increment I memory location. That's what. Okay. Take the I value first, then increment the I memory location. Same thing here. Pre-increment, what it will do means first increment I memory location. Then take the I value. First increment the I memory location first. Then after that only take the I value. Pre-increment means. Sorry, my mistake. Correct. Then take the I value. That is what pre-increment. Understood? Any questions on this one for anyone on understanding post and pre-increment? Understood, guys? The same concept will apply for the decrement also.
Murali?
Yeah, yes, tell me.
One doubt, like in the integer j plus plus I, so we are considering the value of 0 and we are incrementing to 1. That
Correct.
is okay. But in the next one, plus plus I mean in the same example.
Yeah, for the same
Plus
plus.
plus
Okay.
I plus plus I, right? So
Yeah.
how it is considering the I value as to 1? It should be 0 only, right?
No, this one you're saying, right?
Yes.
So I'll take this. See, once again I'll do. So initially, what is my I value here? It is 0, correct?
Yes.
Then plus plus I means what? It is pre-increment. Pre-increment means what? First increment the I memory location first. Correct? That means what? First increment the I value by 1. Then after that only take the I value here. So what is the current I value here for me?
1.
1. So it takes the 1. Because the previous one was being deleted. Okay. Then plus. Now plus plus I. That means what? Again, first increment the I memory location. Correct? That is currently it is 1. 1 plus 1 will be what?
2.
2. So I value is incremented.
But we are not storing that in any other object, right?
Correct. Now only actually what? It should take the I value. So what is the current I value?
2.
2. That 2 will be taken here. Got it?
Yes.
Then 1 plus 2 will be what?
3.
3. That 3 will be stored here.
Okay.
Okay. The same concept if it is this one. So what is my I value? Initially it is
0.
0. Then I plus plus. So I plus plus means what? Take the I value first. That means what is the current I value?
0.
0. That will be taken here. Then after that increment the I memory location by 1. Now 0 plus 1 will be what?
1.
1. Then here plus. Then I plus plus. Now first take the I value. So what is the I value here? It is 1. That 1 will be taken here. Okay. Then after that actually what? Sorry. Then after that what? Now I value will be incremented to 2. That's what it will do. Got it?
Yes.
So that is 0 plus 1 will be what right now it will be 1. The J value will be 1.
Thank you.
Understood?
Yes.
Good. Everyone is clear, guys? So everyone is clear? Any questions for anyone on this? Okay, cool. So with this, I'll stop it for today. Okay, so tomorrow we'll again continue with the same increment and then pre-increment and then decrement over there. Then after that, we'll go for the other steps. Got it? Okay, thank you. Thanks, guys. So see you tomorrow, same time. Bye.